how to download and install QuillBot app on your desktop PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a brand new video of QuillBot. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can install or download QuillBot app on your desktop PC. All you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. Before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection as well. So without any further delay, let's get started. In order to download or install QuillBot app on your device, you can use any web browser of your choice. It is available on all of the web browsers. For this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in QuillBot extension 4. Next interface, you'll be able to see a lot of search results. You need to click on the first link that says QuillBot AI Grammar and Writing Tool. You need to tap on the link. Just click on the link and it will take you to the extension page. You need to click on Add to Chrome. Right in center, there will be a confirmation stating that if you want to add extension or not. If you want to continue with this procedure, click on Add Extension. And whenever you want to use QuillBot, what you need to do is you need to click on this puzzle icon corner or the extension in the top right corner of your screen. As soon as you do this, you need to click on the QuillBot. In this way, you can add extension. So that is how you can download and install QuillBot app on your desktop PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.